Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you this purple butterfly acrylic design set. I did this set about 2 or 3 months ago, so it's been in my stockpile waiting to go, and now that I finally have some time, I thought I would do a little voiceover, jump on and check in with you guys and make sure everyone is doing okay, and yeah, just to have a little chat. So I have removed her past set, back down to the clear base layer. I prepped, primed, refilled the nails with clear acrylic, and now I'm going in with the design. So the reason I'm here talking to you guys is because you can see that when I'm applying this purple, it marbles quite badly. And that's because I've mixed this one myself using pigments and coloured acrylic and shimmers and all sorts of stuff. I couldn't actually tell you what's in it because I did it forever ago, and I've kind of just added little things to it along the way. And generally I find that like pastel colours like this do tend to marble quite badly. So this is how I manage it and work with colours that marble. So on this nail you'll see when I place my first bead down how badly it marbles. So I work in really like small wet beads, and you can see I kind of just swirl the colour around and then feather it down the nail, and you can see that actually fixes the problem. So I just keep going with as many beads as I need to get full coverage of the colour, and you can see that once the nail's finished, you know, it's totally fine. You can't even tell that it marbles anymore. So just, yeah, my best advice to deal with these is just work in small wet beads, mix the colour around on the nail, and you'll be sweet. So in saying that, that's all I really kind of wanted to say. This is a really, you know, simple design set. I hope that you can, you know, take something away from it. And before I go, I would just like to shout out to all of my fellow nail techs out there, especially here in Australia. We've all very recently been shut down and told that we can no longer work, which is pretty devastating for all of us. But I truly hope, and I do think that this is probably the best thing for all of us. We all need to stay safe and keep our families and loved ones healthy and away from any, you know, danger. So I hope that you guys are all doing okay, and please know that I am here for you. If you have any questions or you just want to reach out and have a chat, I'm here for you. I have got a few more videos coming for you. I've got an acrylic removal set, which I'm sure most of us will be doing, or I hope so anyway, but please feel free to share it with your clients if you want to show them how they can remove their acrylics safely at home. Yeah, and I've also now got the time on my hands to actually do a few more design sets, and if you have any requests, please let me know in the comments. You can also reach out to me on Instagram or Facebook, or just, you know, send me a message. I'm here, and I'm, you know, happy to try anything. Yeah, so I know I'm rambling, guys. I'm sorry. I just wanted to make sure that you're all okay, and if anyone needs anything, know that I'm here for you. And I truly believe that we will come out of this on the other side. There will be light at the end of the tunnel, and as long as we all just follow the rules, stay safe, stay inside, we'll be okay. So please look after yourselves, look after your family, stay safe. I can't stress it enough. And I look forward to coming out of this on the other side. I think we're all going to be booming once all of this terrible ordeal is over. Yeah, so stay safe, guys. I know I keep saying it, but I can't stress it enough. It's just one of those things. We all just need to support each other and help lift each other up. So in saying that, I will stop rambling and leave you to just watch the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. If you're new here, please say hi in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And yeah, any requests or anything you want to see, just let me know. And yeah, if you want to share the video, by all means, go for it. Okay, guys, take it easy, stay safe, stay inside, and I will see you soon with loads more content. Okay, love you all. Bye.